This compact SUSTEAS Deep Fryer delivers steady 1500-watt heating, so home-cooked fries, wings, and snacks come out crisp on the outside and moist inside without much guesswork. The adjustable thermostat and clear ready indicator light make it straightforward to hit and hold the right temperature for different foods, from delicate vegetables to hearty chicken pieces. A well-designed lid with a viewing window cuts down on splatter and helps contain odors while still letting you monitor browning without constantly opening the fryer. The non-stick inner pot, removable lid, and stainless steel basket all clean up easily, and being dishwasher-friendly means you spend far less time scrubbing after a frying session. Its 2.5-liter oil capacity is well suited to 1 to 3 people, giving you enough room to cook a satisfying batch without taking over the whole countertop. The folding basket handle and relatively small footprint make this fryer easy to store between uses, which is especially helpful in tighter kitchens or shared spaces.